Hey, it's Leah with Dropship Junkie here to show you a little bit more about Canva and helping out with your designs on your e-commerce, a resume, the website, whatever you'd like to do. So here I'm going to show you a little bit more about Canva and what you can do. Now, my last tutorial, I went over one of these that I made already. So I will bring that up. And as soon as it comes up, this was the one that I made earlier. So here, let me pause this a minute. So this one I made earlier, and what you can do, I haven't really found it with Canva that can make my borders. Now on the far left hand side, it does have a way to, in the elements, to make frames. So when you pull up a frame, and it has all these different ones. I'm not real impressed with this yet. So, play around with it, see if it works for you. But instead, I will download my image, or I also use Jing. On the far left-hand side, I have Jing open. So if you subscribe down below, I will do one on Jing also. But on Jing, I can capture my image. So I'm going to grab this. I don't know if my image is going to show here down below, sorry. And then when I capture it, I'm going to save it. So here I'll just say sold. I'm going to click save. I'm going to save it wherever you want on your hard drive. Let's do eBay. And we're going to say sold. And it saves as a PNG. So it is the only file that it allows you to save as. And that doesn't always import when you go to some of the sites. I know a couple of them won't take a PNG, so I just automatically change it. So since it's a PNG, I will hit save it in my files. That will go away. Now the next website I would come to is called PicMonkey. So up here at the top is PicMonkey.com. Now PicMonkey can do the exact same thing that Canva can. So if you want to come in here and open up something and work with it, it definitely is here for you. I find that Canva is a little easier on my designs, and this is more for text, some overlays, and some frames. Also will give you some themes. So if you have a certain theme that you're working with, here's zombies, or you definitely Halloween's coming up, so that would be a good one. Maybe you want something with comic heroes, so it allows you to pick those, change your design, so we'll change it. Truly up to you, but lots to do in here. Now with the reason why I come to PicMonkey is because I like the frames. Far left hand side is going to be frames. They have tons of them. Now they still do charge you for some of their things. So you'll see these little crowns in the corner. Those are ones that will make you upgrade and pay. Now, if you want that design, great. Definitely do take advantage of that. But I just use their free ones. So here is a popular one that I use. I will click on that mat, and you'll see that I'll add the mat in there. Now I can click on this and change my color. Now I can make it as thick or as thin as I want that. So really cool. Now on inner color, you go ahead and click on that, and that'll change your inner color. You can also make that as thick or as thin that you want. Now say you want it really thick, and you hit apply. Once you hit apply, it's there. So then you would click on your text. Now maybe you have a reason why you want it thick. So here it's going to add your text, and here you could say, I don't know, put your website. Now it didn't fit on there, so what you can do is just click on it and stretch it. So you just stretch it and then move it where you want to. So if you're familiar with Word or any of the Word programs, really kind of the same thing. Now maybe I don't want that to be black. You can change your text still on the far left, so you can do that. You can also change your color. So here's your colorgram, and just click on the colors. So maybe you want it green, match above. You can make this as big or as small as you like and drag it right where you want. So you don't want it up there, move it down here. And it just allows you to change those colors. Now maybe I want to add a little design. Now see, these are upgrades on some of these. Some of these down below don't have upgrades. So click on them. Now I want to add this. You can make it as big as you want. You can move it around. You can change it, change the color, whatever you want to do. I hope this helps you out with getting started on some of these designs, making your YouTube, your website, any of those, your blog, really fancy and fun. So take advantage of that. And do subscribe down below. I'm always doing updates on different things that might help you out with some of your stuff. And I will see you on the inside. Have a great day. Bye.